Alright, so this is the new Ford Maverick pickup truck hybrid. Check this out. They just announced it not long ago. So the first hand view of this new pickup truck. Check out the interior. It has the password entry all right there. It's the XLT model. Okay, let's check this out. The 2022 Maverick.
After you spin that wheel, come check out Ford's latest and greatest 2021 model.
All right, let's see the
F-150 HEV, the
back
F-350
here.
trimmer, the Mustang GT, and the F-150 Raptor. All for your viewing pleasures. Stop by, sit inside.
Yes, the feeling cut. All right, let's see the back. Not bad, not bad. So there you have it, 2022 Ford Maverick hybrid.
Winner, come on over right here.